am going to show you shortcuts in Microsoft Office PowerPoint. So before getting into the video, please subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell for you to be the first to watch my videos and any video I upload. So let's get started. First shortcut, Ctrl+M to insert a new slide. So let me press Ctrl+M. As you can see, the new slide inserted. But there are some important notes. Please read these notes. First one is that if you press Ctrl+M after the first slide, the default layout is title and content. So I'll explain this. Because I didn't choose the layout for this slide, always after the first slide, when you press Ctrl+M, this is the default layout. And the second note is that after you have selected a layout and then press Ctrl+M, you get the same layout which one you have selected. So let me select a layout. I am going to select blank. So now let me press Ctrl+M. As you can see, another blank layout was inserted. These are the two important notes. So next shortcut. Second shortcut, Ctrl+N to start a new presentation. So let me press Ctrl+N. So as you can see, it is presentation 2 here. Presentation 2, that means there are two windows. This is used to start a new presentation much faster. So next shortcut, third shortcut, Ctrl+O to open a presentation. So let's open a presentation. Ctrl+O. So I have saved some Microsoft. Let me open 5 generations of computers. Let me click open. This is used to open a presentation much faster. So next shortcut, fourth shortcut, Ctrl+P to print a document. So let's press Ctrl+P. So the print dialog box opened up, almost same as in Word. You can adjust some settings, and this is used to print a presentation much faster. So next shortcut, fifth shortcut, Ctrl+S to save a presentation. So let me press Ctrl+S. Let's give it a name, video project. Then just save. This is used to save presentations much faster. So next shortcut, sixth shortcut, Ctrl+T to open font dialog box. So let me open font dialog box. So there it is. So you can customize many options, effects and so on. This is used to add effects and many other things. But please note, this shortcut works only if ribbon is activated. What do you mean by that? What if ribbon isn't activated? Now the ribbon isn't activated. So now if I press Ctrl plus T, it doesn't work. The ribbon should be activated. Even if the window is activated, the ribbon is not activated, then the shortcut would not work. So next shortcut. 7th shortcut. Ctrl plus U to underline or not underline text. So if I press Ctrl plus U, now the underline is activated. So now which text I type will be underlined. So if I type good, good will be underlined. And if I don't want it to be underlined, just press again Ctrl plus U. So now if I type text, let me again make it. Now if I type text, it will be not underlined. So next shortcut, 8th shortcut, Ctrl plus B to bold or not to bold text. So let me press Ctrl plus B. As you can see, the text which I type is bold. So if you don't want the text to be bold, just press again Ctrl plus B. So now you type the text will not be bold. Let's test. And as you can see, the boldness decreases. Do you want to see the difference? So I am going to show you the difference. X. And I am going to bold Ctrl plus B and type again X. As you can see, the bolded X is much more thicker and darker than the ordinary X. So next shortcut, 9th shortcut, Ctrl plus I to make text look slanted or not slanted. So let me activate slanted text. So now if I type, it will look slanted. So let's type millions use flyers. Useful ideas. As you can see, the text is little more slanted, and the text without slanted also is here. So let me deactivate the slanted text, and you can see the difference. So next shortcut, 10th shortcut, Ctrl plus W to close a presentation. So let me press Ctrl plus W. I am going to click no. But please note, the window does not close. Only the presentation closes. If you want to close the window, you have to click in the close button or just press Alt plus F4. So next shortcut, 11th shortcut, home to make cursor point at the start of a line. So let me show you home. As you can see, now the cursor is at the start of the line. This is used to make changes faster. So next shortcut, end to make the cursor point at the end of the line. So let me press end. As you can see, the cursor is pointing at the end of the line. But there's a fact. If there are two lines and if you click end, where is the cursor on the line? In the first line, the cursor would be there. Now I have clicked this line, right? If I click end, of this line's end, it will be there. If I click this line, this line's end it would be there. Please note that it is an important note. So next shortcut, 18th and last shortcut for today, Control plus A to select everything in slide tab and to select all text in outline tab. So if I press Ctrl plus A, as you can see the ribbon is activated and my text is also selected, and it will select text in outline tab. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.